Welcome back, guys. This is Cosmo, and this is Will We Make It? I am the original lighter snake. Here is the quick market update. Today is Monday. Guys, I just want to let you know I'm just a normal guy on my laptop, just working my butt off, trying to put any little bit of spare change into the market. But I want to go over a couple things for you. A couple interesting things that I've noticed. Now, if you've ever wanted to know what's going on, like what the latest news is, you can always find out by checking the markets, because I'm going to show you something. I'm going to go ahead and pull up my Robinhood right now, and this is raw, unfiltered. You know, it's just me on my laptop, no paid sponsorships, no AI. It's just me, normal guy trying to make money. So bear with me. But I'm going to pull up my Robinhood here, and remember, I started off with about $200 and something, and I'm going to pull up my Robinhood here for you, and we'll see where we're at. About 3 weeks in, maybe a month, maybe, and we'll see where we're at. And I'll go over what I've done since then. So here I've got my Robinhood. I'm currently at 731 for today, but what I want to show you is this right here. Now, today's Monday, the 23rd, and you know you've got that stuff going on in the over in the Middle East with the war. Trump says that he's going to bomb the hell out of Iran if they don't open up the Strait of Hormuz, so we can get some oil, and oil prices have skyrocketed. What the funny thing is right here around 7 a.m. before the markets opened, we were in the negative. We were down 1-2% for most of the overnight hours, and then it skyrockets all the way up within 5 minutes, from basically 7:05 to 7:10. We went already up, and then roughly about maybe an hour or two later, news comes out that Trump has made promising talks, and he's going to delay bombing Iran for 5 days. So if you notice, the market knows this information before we do. So if you ever want to know about a catalyst that's coming, the market has already factored it in. So it's definitely hard to judge what's going on with the market when you see these types of information come out, because by the time we get the information and the news gets the information, the markets have already reacted. So that's why timing the market is impossible, because everything will happen before you even know it. So, but that's one thing to know. If you ever want to know what's going on, follow the markets. Now, as you can see here, we're doing pretty good. I'm up to currently at 730 and 61. I'm up 2.74%, and it's starting to trail back down. That's because, guess what? Iran came out and said no such talks have even happened. So what are we playing, a game of chicken here? I don't know. But the point is none of this matters, because as long as you dollar cost average and you put your money in every pay period, every week, every 2 weeks, whatever your pay period is, you will always get the best average price. And another thing I want to go over, which is some exciting news, is Friday, the SEC ruled that crypto is not a security. We'll go ahead and pull that up here. As you can see, as of March 2026, the SEC and the CFTC issued a landmark interpretive release defining most crypto assets as non-securities, providing long-awaited regulatory clarity. This is great news for crypto. This is the next step to passing that Clarity Act. And once that Clarity Act passes, we're going to see, in my opinion, and this is just my opinion, that crypto go reach new all-time highs. So what I did late last night is I went ahead and I dropped in another $100 into Bitcoin. Let's see if I can pull it up here. I'm currently at 137.85 in Bitcoin. I'm up 2.8% so far. And I want to see if I can pull up what my last trend right here. Market by Bitcoin. This was 18 hours ago. I dropped $99.02. So it just goes to show that I am putting money in when I say I put it in. So make sure you comment, like, follow, see if we can make it, see how much money we can make. And like I said, it's just me. I'm on a laptop trying to make money, trying to make it. So follow along, like, comment, share, and if we make it, we make it. If we don't, we crash and burn. And you guys can make fun of me along the way. But try and get this video out, and I really appreciate you watching.